Hi my little Shardies, welcome and welcome back. This is Christina with Shhh Art Online. Today we're going to be working on part 3 of the image we were doing in Amarantine by Anastasia Elly Koldarava. We finished off with the NeoColors and now I'm going to be coming back in and adding some detail with the Prismacolors. We had a natural disaster in our town and as a result all of the traffic is being diverted from the main street to our street. So there's a lot of motorcycles and 18-wheelers going by, and I cannot protect the noise from showing up on this video. So what I think I'm going to do is go ahead and mute the sound for most of the video other than when I'm telling you the color changes I'm using. So please feel free to play your own music or whatever you feel you'd like to listen to while you're watching this video in the background. I will not be adding any additional music. That way you guys can choose. Alright, without further ado, let's get this thing started. Alright, I think I'm going to start with some light umber, and I'm just going to go into the shadow areas a little bit and darken some of those up, and in the shadow areas around the eyes, and I'm going to do that with the light umber. I would usually put like a purple or a blue color in there, but I'm trying to keep his skin very bronze. So I think I'm going to stick with this for now. If I have to darken it up, I'll let you know. Great, and now I'm going to take some yellow ochre and I'm going to put it into the beak. And into the talons. I think that's what you call them. So that's what we have so far. going to jump over to his hair now, and I'm going to use 946 dark brown. I'm just going to add a little bit. I'm doing kind of quick, like feather strokes. Alright, now I'm going to go back in with light umber, and I'm just going to darken up the area I didn't color already in these couple of beads here. And I'm going to go back in with the dark brown. Alright, I'm going to go in with 1013 Deco Peach. I'm just going to darken up the edges of his lips. I want to lighten up or put I have the biggest urge to put a little bit of pink on his cheeks, but I'm not going to right now. I may go ahead and put like a darker brown there and kind of bring out those cheekbones a little bit. Let's try 140 Eggshell. Go along the nose here first. A little bit in the eye area. I'm barely touching the paper. I just want to put like just a little bit of color down to just give it a little bit of definition. Gonna kind of bring that color on his neckline too. I actually am liking this a lot. Just hoping it not look as flat. I don't think it looked bad before, but it's definitely making it pop a little bit more. All right. So I think that's good for now for him. And now I'm going to come up and I'm going to start doing this bird. I probably won't get past the bird in this video. I'm not even sure I'll get all the bird. I'm already quite a ways into it. But I'll at least get the bird started in this video, and then maybe we'll finish up the bird in the next video if I don't finish it up today, and then we can do the trees. So I'm going to start with 1065, which is 70% cool gray. Right, now we're going to add some 1063 50% cool gray. Alright, I'm going to come in with some 90% cool gray. Alright, this video is getting extremely long, so I'm going to end this here and we'll pick it up in the next video. If you want to continue with what I did over here, you're going to go ahead and use 90% cool gray, and I'm doing it on the darker part of the wings, and then I'm going back in with 70% cool gray and just kind of darkening it and blending it out. Alright guys, until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, color happy, and remember, shh, it's our little secret.